Hi, my name is Eric Booth. I'm with Dynapac North America here at World of Asphalt 2025, talking about the new CP28 that we're bringing in. It's a ballastable pneumatic tire roller, goes from 21,000 pounds up to 62,000 pounds. So it's actually will be the heaviest pneumatic tire roller on the market. We've got quite a few new features on this. This is a 4-wheel in the front, 4-wheel in the back, staggered roller. This has got the heat skirt option already on there. I'm going to walk you around to this side here because it shows the great visibility from the top of the operator station down to the right front tire and then to the back left tire, depending on how the operator is on a swivel and slide seat. We've got 3 sections of weights on this. We've got a front section, a back section, and the middle section. This is fully ballasted up. We've got a new operator station for this generation of the roller. So it's like our heavy tandem rollers. It's got a 7-inch touchscreen. Daily needs are on a keypad that are on the right-hand side for the operator that swivels and slides with the operator. This machine actually has our full light package, night light package, and then also the backup camera. So that's a screen up in the upper right of the cab that they can see behind them when they're in reverse if they're not turned around in their seats. This has a new air on the run system, so it will inflate all the tires from the operator station from 0 PSI to 120 PSI in about 12 minutes. We've got a new suspension on the front, so it will tilt and oscillate as you're going over if you're doing proof roller or on your dirt passes. You can use this for asphalt, you can use it for dirt, proof rolling, you can use it for chip seal as well. It goes 0 to 12 miles per hour for your chip sealing applications. Every tire has its own sprinkler system and has a scraper bar and a cocoa mat for every tire to help keep the pickup from the asphalt. So if you're interested, come check us out or look us up on the website and go to our dealers, and we'd love to talk to you about the CP28.
For the latest in construction equipment, sign up for our daily newsletter. Just click the link below.